So one of the biggest things in your building a business is that you can't be reliant on you being the only person. You've got to build a team. And so that's, for me has been super important, is that building a team. Today, we've got over 100 people inside of our business, and you've got to have the right people inside of the business, and you've also got to make sure that the people actually care about what you're building. Because if you've got people that just turn up at 9 and leave at 5, you're not going to build a valuable business, and you're just, large corporates really struggle with this. And when a business becomes a certain size, it becomes really hard for having staff members that actually care about your business. But I found a way of being able to do this, particularly, as the business is small, and, trying to make this continue to happen as the business goes bigger. And one of the biggest things that I do is I really make sure that people know what we're building, and I make them part of the building process. And so they can actually see, okay, well, this is where we are today and this is where we're heading, and these are the steps that we need to go through, but we are jointly going to work together on building this together. And I think when a staff member feels like they're part of the building, then they take more ownership over what they're actually doing. And I try not to micromanage. I allow them the freedom of being able to have choice and bring their own ideas to what we're building. And I think that enables you to have employees that really care about what they're building inside of the business. And I think that's, it's worked really well. It's worked well when we were smaller, and it's worked as we've continued to scale up business. I think also there's different stages. You need different types of people in the business. And when your business is younger, you need a lot of generalists that do lots of different things. And as your business starts to become bigger, you need more specialists that specialize in doing certain aspects of the business. And so the mixture of employees will change as your business starts to grow. But ultimately, I think it's having staff members that care about what we're building and understand the long-term vision, what's not going to happen over the next year, but what's going to happen over the next 10 to 20 years, and how big is this business going to get. And I think when people can buy into that vision and feel part of that and see the change actually happening, then I think that becomes super rewarding for people to be part of.